Yay me ban boss and the dog and Wayne cop na read perman Oliver o Korean cop na perman Pagkasabasan government kan ang chon way bukanan POHNPEI and POHNPEI. Chel ko chinwangi me anso matok panan kuburkan o minimin panan puka at tato kasampalkan kun utan POHNPEI. Arya iban pachianger na chingal radio program and kabasa ang way bakon. Iyang o kaselelya mengko. Mona iban pachiang na chingal Enginkehlap radio program number 8 line riyasak o pwego POHNPEI match ay chingal kay pani pan kuburan kala ko arakso ko on POHNPEI wala pan kuburan isunan kan ko wan kil kan ko nanalang ko nan kan ko ay chingal wow choror ang kapna Korean kapna o machingal kapnet speaker and legislature kaisak o yang amuchan ko kusanet kan sound ko bung labalap o yang amu sound ko bung kan kay di kan nan balian ciak momotso kan o nan tagan government silu o karos utak o pultakan POHNPEI yunsak sang penglap ko dito nakalap o taulul tila lalkap mamarangin. Enginkehlap ye sabul machel radio program meo mawiyawi tapwen saksagara kachon POHNPEI ira aralap ko sampalakan mawiyawi tamagmagat nan opsan kopna o ngay Fraulein Frederick maban bachuan pakita program watch. Ira kayo POHNPEI State COVID-19 Task Force chuang National COVID-19 Task Force. Niat anapreriyesak pariyagitriyesak karaban chubanawach bidada anavasam Congress aray chingal Congressional Resolution number yesakeo line sili sakwalo. POHNPEI State Task Force pachuan uchung resolution watch o pachuan tatangakan mebil kakuyawi. Pakarban resolution watch yang aku kasanti kapkan mebit social the physical distancing my care referral patient makachkach tepat pacho nanwen kuam sopen light kan sopen cargo kan o sailak and nan pungan state na basam meye nan pungan POHNPEI Wayne Chuk Wayne Koshrai o Wayne ya POHNPEI Task Force pachuan tawiyapan sawaskan meban kakuyawi meban sawa pali kasantuwaj. Chairman and FSMI Task Force, Maye Secretary and Kampang Rasanmao and FSM, Dr. Livingston Taulong, Pachuan Kapangku POHNPEI State Task Force, Arail Pachuan Uchung kasantuwaj, o Pachuan, Maye o FSM Task Force, Pan Pachuan Pasan kasantikan, Sang POHNPEI Task Force. Dr. Taulong, Bilpachuan, Maye Operanan Pungan FSM o POHNPEI State, kak sawasa ira tikapin salet ta somawan COVID-19 tuawaj. Walyaban POHNPEI State COVID-19 tuaw Task Force kan mebachuan chewe ta chupanawaj. Yay Madam Chair Dr. Marcel Callen, Chief of Staff Mrs. Susan L. Callen, Environmental Protection Agency Executive Director Mr. Henry Susaya, POHNPEI Port Authority the PPA Seaport Manager Mr. Baron Mendiola, PPA Human Resource Manager Mr. Soro Tundra, Director and Department of Health and Social Services Mr. Winsner David, o Task Force Medical Team Leaders kan Dr. Badwick Callen o Dr. Rodney Itaki. Ira Karyaw, Leadership Chubana. Niara and Sakeo Pariagatriyasak, Leadership and Executive o Legislative Pachuan Chupana Nan Pachpana Nuilamalameo Nan Governors Conference Room. Honorable Speaker Lampert o Honorable Members and Legislature Kaisak Pachuan Pachanger Kapna Karyawan Kapna o Kapanet Kan. Nan Nuilamalam Watch Sabulman POHNPEI COVID-19 Tuaw Task Force Pachuan Wiarop Watch ang Speaker and Sound Kaukosanat Kan Nan Legislature Kaisak Metoko somaw takapinsalit COVID-19 tuaw. Walyabakan sang POHNPEI State Legislature kaisak pachuan chuwang Kapna Reid P. Oliver o Kapnet kan o POHNPEI COVID-19 Task Force nan Governors Conference Room mepacho pelabala. Chupanawach huyaw po abusan Kapna o Task Force and pachuan kapasa tatangkan me POHNPEI COVID-19 Task Force Pachiang lalato rano. Iran Wilamalam Ye Mepitata Third Amendment Tagasan sapal kasulu ang constitutional emergency order takalo karwaru ng pariyaisak lain sa roeo. Kabna bachiwan kabasa makasan sabal kasuluwach wiyawita pa napali iray karwaru kasampalkan o maso kasukpakan. Irapukach marasang accident o olakan o kabal chaikan maanana sawas karwaru. Ansaw maapaltan somawach pansansal te sampa pon maleleti sang kapal and kapansalet te soma COVID-19 saktuaw POHNPEI State Government o COVID-19 Task Force pan kolokol kasanti tawya panapali kapansalet te somawach. Uchuch sang POHNPEI State Legislature kaisak wiya kaelapan POHNPEI yunsak nan irair and kapal and kapansalet te soma COVID-19 saktuawach. Ira kasulu kaya wan meeting an IT the information technology nan and kap na over o karyan kap na permanent administration wiyawiyar nan governors conference room. Niyasil an aprere sakriyaw pari agatriyasak meeting an IT the information technology which kibanar IT specialist kan sang national o state government. Karapan meeting which when bachuan eugupana wiapa networking, fiber optic cable, email o kamalan internet. Committee which pan bachuan ewang Chief of Staff Mrs. Susan Callan o Financial Consultant Mr. Kelly Keller ang kasantin wiapa which pasang karos and paitamao o parak ang palyanati the information technology non-POHNPEI state government. Vice Chairman and Committee Watch, Mr. Person Asher, Mabachuan, Kalwa, Michingwach. Irakabayo, Zoom Conference. Niyasil and Aprere Sakriao, Pariagatriasak, Kopna Kariao, Feliciano Perman, Everson President David W. Panuelo, Kopna Nyap, Chuk Ogoshrai, Wia Chupanayo, Nan Zoom Video Conference. Karaban Michingwach, Pidata Ira Silu. Irabukaj, Yay Congressional Resolution, Riesakeo, Line Silisakwalo, Karerelan Public Health Emergency Sang President Panuelo, o Social Distancing. Kasantin POHNPEI State Government, Pan Pagatarlang Office and President, Mebit Kaunuptan Anso, POHNPEI Panaleti, Kapansalet, the Somawan COVID Isaktuaw. Irakalmao, POHNPEI Consumer Organization, Chuang Kapna Reid Oliver. Niyasil Ebreri Sakriao Pariagatriyasak, President and POHNPEI Consumer Organization, Mr. Henry Philip, Pachuan Chuang Kapna Oliver, Puen Pachuan Sagargita Chingal Iran Kapnot Kan, Ang Irail Machingalan Kiyanan Choror Mabtata Kapinsalet, the Somao COVID Isaktuaw. Balian Social Services, Home Mental Health, Pan Comparison Mao, Pachuan Pachang Risk Communication Subcommittee, o Pachuan Konupta, Main Kabasakan, Mepitata Kapansalet, the Soma COVID-19 Saktuaw, Ong Irailakan, Mechingalanki Ananchoro. Irakawanaw o Kaimsaklanira, Kaulan, Puka. Nialam and a Prairie Sapayo Pariagatriasak, Governor Oliver, Pachuanta Kaulan, Puka. Ong Isonankan and Matalanium, Iso John Adolf, Painapali Office and Transportation and Infrastructure, Wasai Sakos, Peter Lon, Painapali Office and Staff, o Miss Christina Elnay, Painapali Campaign Treasury o Administration. Kapna Kariao Perman, Pachuan Valiente Kapna Oliver, o Pachuan Wiach Ngal Sakaratan Kosam, o Kawait. Abil Pachuan Tawalao Yach Ngal Kapung ang POHNPEI State Legislature Kaisak, Puego Chuch, Masansaler, ang iti Tabukach. Irail Makachin the Pachuan Kaulakan, Panmia Sabal Marail Taray Chingal, Kap Koros, ang Nanpugokan, Puen Sawasa Chon Way, Unsak. Haye Mech, Enginkehlap Radio Program Nanpawalu, Line Riyaisak. Mamia Sabal Mamwe, Iran Kainang Bataw Machingal, Iran Kalalapak, Kamuka Kachin, Malibet, the Pachuan Akar, Office and Public Affairs, Ne Telephone Numbers Riau Saro, Riau Limau Isu Saro, the Malibet, the Pachuan Akar, Telephone and Office Kan, Mesan Saler Nan Program Watch. Kampelyang ya nan ew sa program watch, beban o yaw mor. Kalangan o kasalerya.